Let's start with number 7, entry level finance roles. This category includes accounting, audit, back office operations, and junior roles at banks, NBFCs, and financial services firms. In India, salaries range from 3 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum for freshers. Do you want to know the high paying finance jobs during 2026 and which are also safe from the influence of AI because AI is affecting every job today? Are you aware that it's possible to earn more than 1 crore annually in the finance industry without being a banker, without managing billions, and without spending a decade climbing a corporate ladder? The finance sector in India is one of the fastest growing than anywhere in the world. India is projected to become the world's third largest economy. And with it comes a lot of opportunities for wealth management. The wealth management market is going to increase like anything. And meanwhile, in the countries like United States, the same profession is facing a massive retirement gap. Tens of thousands of financial advisors are getting retired. They are aging. Therefore, they require young professionals to replace them. So, the opportunity on both the sides is enormous for you as youngsters. But here is the part that nobody talks about. What is that? AI is quietly taking over many of the functions. Even in the finance also, many of the jobs AI is taking over. Okay, so in this video, we'll do two things. First, I will rank the highest paying finance careers in India by salary from entry level all the way to 15 crores leadership roles. And second, I'll score every single one on AA vulnerability scale. Means how does it rate on the AA scale? And the lower the AA number, the better the opportunities for growth. So please keep watching the video till the end, and that will give you a lot of information to make your career bright and brighter. Now, the honest truth about this type is the most crowded and it's also the most vulnerable with a vulnerability rating of 70 out of 100. Routine reconciliation, basic bookkeeping, and standard data entry are being automated aggressively. This is an entry point, not a destination. You should treat it as a launch pad into one of the higher tiers on this list. You can try for it, but go in with a plan to move up. At number 6, I told you I'm going to discuss about 7 career paths. In this, number 6, we have the financial analyst. These are the professionals who build models, analyze company performance, and produce the reports that drive investment and corporate decisions. In India, salaries range from 6 lakhs to 35 lakhs. With strong analysts at research firms, banks, and corporate finance teams on the higher end. The BLS in the United States reports a median salary for financial analysts of around $99,000. At bulge bracket, banks and top hedge funds, senior analysts can command over $150,000 or even more. Now, here is the interesting part. The financial analyst role is where AI is having its biggest impact, and it cuts both ways. A junior analyst who spends 60% of their time building basic models and pulling data is genuinely at risk. AI vulnerability rating is 60 out of 100. The routine modeling is being automated. But the analyst who can interpret, challenge, and communicate the numbers, the one who turns data into a decision, is more valuable than ever. The role is not disappearing, it's being reshaped around judgment. Number five is a role every finance student dreams of. What is that? Investment banking analyst. These professionals work on mergers, acquisitions, and capital raising through IPOs or other placement issues, and they build pitch books, run valuation models, and execute the biggest transactions in the economy. In India, salaries range from 10 lakhs to 60 lakhs and even beyond, with bonuses at top firms and also pushing them from getting more and more compensation. In the United States, investment banking analysts at top firms start nearly $110,000 with bonus, and they can clear $200,000 in their first 2 years. Now, senior bankers earn in multiples of that. At number four, we have the wealth manager, and I made a separate video on the wealth management. Please see that also. And this is where your attention you have to focus. Wealth managers advise high net worth individuals and families on investments, tax, estate planning, and long term financial strategy. In India, salaries range from 20 lakhs to 85 lakhs and above, with senior private wealth managers serving ultra high net worth clients earning well above that. The scarcity is striking. India has only around 3,600 certified financial planners for a country of over a billion people, a demand supply gap that is almost unprecedented. In the United States, the BLS projects financial advisor roles to grow faster than the average for all occupations through the next decade. AA vulnerability rating is 30 out of 100, and this is a key insight. AA can build a portfolio, but it cannot build trust. Wealth management is a relationship business. Clients hand over their life savings to a person they trust, not to an algorithm. The higher the network, the more human the relationship becomes. You will find a lot of interesting opportunities emerging in this sector, and the remaining part of the video will give you some more exciting and high paying paths. Number three is the portfolio management, and here you have the opportunity to deal with alternative investment funds also. These are the professionals who manage institutional and HNI, high net worth individuals, money, run concentrated strategies, and are held accountable to performance every single day. In India, salaries range from 25 lakhs to 1 crore and beyond, with top fund managers at established firms earning substantially higher salaries. This is a high pressure, high rewarding career with AA vulnerability rating 35 out of 100. AI is extraordinarily good at executing and even at generating ideas from data. But capital allocation is ultimately a judgment business under uncertainty, and the client's paying a crore plus what a human accountable for the outcome. You have to understand this. The path in requires strong credentials, a CFA, a proven track record, and usually an MBA from a top institution. This is a career you build towards, not one you walk into as a fresher. Number two is where the game really changes. The independent registered investment advisor. It's called as RIA. Instead of just selling the products for a firm, you build your own business adventure. And it's an advisory practice registered with SEBI and earn fees from the clients rather than earning commissions. In India, established independent advisors earn between 35 lakhs to 1.5 crores per annum, with the most successful practices even exceeding that amount. In the United States, this is a well understood model. Independent RIAs manage a significant share of American household wealth, and a successful solo practice is a multi crore business. AI vulnerability rating is just 15 out of 100. This is one of the safest careers on this list. You may have a doubt. Why? Because you are not selling a product that can be automated. You are building a trusted practice with recurring fees, referrals, and relationships that compound over decades. The moat is the trust, not the spreadsheet. This is a role that rewards my kind of background, senior industry experience, credibility, and the willingness to back yourself. It is harder to build, but it's the most defensible. And at the number one position, we have senior leadership, the CEOs and C-suite executives of financial institutions. In India, leadership roles at major banks and asset managers and financial services firms offer total compensation from 1 crore to 15 crores and above. Before you roll your eyes, this is achievable, and here is how. Let me give you the full picture in one sweep. From the least safe to most safe, entry level roles at 70, financial analyst at 60, investment banking analyst at 45, portfolio manager at 35, wealth manager at 30, independent RIA at 15, and senior leadership at 10. Look at the pattern. It's clear. The closer the role is to building and executing a process, the more AA threatens it. The closer a role is to trust, judgment, and relationship, the safer it becomes because AA influence will come down. Now, my recommendation depends on where you are today. Okay, if you are a student or a fresher, the smartest path is to use an entry level analyst role as a launch pad. But keep your eyes on wealth management or the RIA track where the AA vulnerability is low and the demand gap in India is enormous. If you are already a mid-career executive, like many of you who are watching, I presume that the Independent RIA model is the highest leverage move available. Your experience is your moat. AI cannot replicate the trust what you are going to build. The opportunities on both the sides are enormous. You just need to find your lane. If you find this useful, this video, please like and press the like button and comment below and say which career you are interested, and also please subscribe to this so that it will be a motivation for me to make more and more like this with a lot of experience what I have in the field of finance. Thank you very much for patient watching. All the best to you.